In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to an image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, realistic shadow that adds depth and polish to your design without overpowering it. Start by selecting the image you want to enhance. Simply click on it in your canvas so you see the selection handles appear. This tells Adobe Express you're working with that layer, which unlocks all the relevant adjustments for that specific image. With the image selected, look to the right-hand panel and open the Effects section. Depending on your version, you'll see Shadow or Drop Shadow. They're the same idea, so choose the option available to you. Turn the shadow on to activate the controls. Now, let's fine-tune the look. Begin with opacity, which controls how strong or subtle the shadow appears. A lower opacity creates a natural, understated effect, while higher opacity makes the shadow darker and more dramatic. For most designs, a moderate value feels realistic and keeps the focus on your image. Next, adjust blur. Blur softens the shadow's edges. More blur will make the shadow fade gently into the background, which is ideal for a soft, natural look. Less blur creates a crisper edge, useful if you're going for a graphic, poster-like style or want the shadow to feel closer to a light source. Angle sets the direction of your light. Choose an angle that matches other elements in your design so everything feels cohesive. If your layout has highlights coming from the top left, aim your shadow down to the bottom right, and vice versa. Consistency here is what makes the effect believable. Distance controls how far the shadow sits from the image. A smaller distance makes it look like the image is closer to the surface, while a larger distance suggests it's floating slightly above. Combine distance and blur to get that sweet spot of depth without awkward separation. If color options are available, consider a subtle tint. Neutral grays are safe, but a very slight shift toward your background color can help the shadow blend more naturally. As you edit, preview your image frequently. Toggle the effect on and off or zoom in and out to compare before and after. Look for a shadow that adds dimension without stealing attention. If something feels off, too heavy, too sharp, or misaligned, dial back opacity, increase blur, or nudge the angle until it feels balanced. That's it. With a few thoughtful adjustments, your image will gain depth, focus, and a professional finish using Adobe Express's shadow tools.